Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 39. I'm going to explain about imperative and suffix-kan. Chapter 39 or bab 39. Verbs, the imperative, suffix-kan. To form the imperative in Bahasa Melayu, it is done as follows. Number 1. Use class 1 verbs in their original form. Examples: pergi, go. Awak duduk di sini. You sit here. Jangan pulang sebelum pukul 10. Don't return before 10 o'clock. Number 2. Drop the prefix me in class 2 verbs. Examples: basuh kain ini. Wash this cloth. Halau lembu-lembu itu. Drive away those cows. Jawab soalan ini jika awak boleh. Or jawab soalan ini jika boleh. Answer this question if you can. Berus gigi tiap-tiap hari. Brush your teeth every day. Rotan budak nakal itu. Cane that naughty boy. 3. Keep the same form for class 3 verbs. Examples: berdiri di sini. Stand here. Jangan berjalan di atas rumput. Don't walk on the grass. Berjabat tangan dengan dia. Shake hands with him. 4. Drop the prefix me for class 4 verbs. Examples: tinggalkan surat-surat itu di atas meja. Leave the letters on the table. Sampaikan salam saya kepadanya. Send my regards to him. Susukan budak ini or susukan bayi ini. Feed this baby with milk. Kosongkan bakul itu. Empty the basket. Suffix lah. To make polite or mild form of request, the suffix lah is added. Awak tidurlah di sini. You sleep here. Balaslah surat abangmu itu. Reply your brother's letter. Bersenamlah tiap-tiap pagi supaya badan kamu sentiasa sihat. Exercise every morning so that your body will be healthy. Keluarkanlah semua buah manggis itu supaya dapat kita kira. Take out all the mangosteens so that we can count them. This is mangosteen. Ini buah manggis. Suffix-kan. When the suffix-kan is used with verbs, it also indicates a sort of favor. That is, the action is done for the sake of the speaker. Observe the following examples. Awak hendak ke kedai? Belikan saya ubat batuk. Are you going to the shop? Buy me some cough drops. Bawakan saya segelas air. Bring me a glass of water. Padamkan lampu itu. Saya tak sampai suisnya. Put off the light for me. I can't reach the switch. Bacakan surat ini. Tulisannya halus benar. Read this letter for me. The writing is too small. Halus benar literally translated really small. Sila and tolong. Both means please, but there is a difference. In English, we use the word please when making a polite request. In Bahasa Melayu, sila or tolong are used, but each has its own special meaning. The word tolong is used when the speaker gets some benefit out of the action, whereas sila do not. Examples: sila kembalikan buku itu. Please return the book. Tolong kembalikan buku itu. Please return the book for my sake. Sila duduk. Have a seat. Tolong duduk. Please sit down for my sake because you are blocking my view perhaps. Sila buka muka surat 47. Please turn to page 47. Tolong bukakan tin ini. Please open this can for me. Sila bersihkan meja masing-masing. Please clean your table respectively. Tolong bersihkan meja saya. Please clean my table for me. Words to remember. Nouns, batuk, cough. Salam, greetings. Bungkus, packet. Bungkus also means wrap. Swiss, switch. Pintu pagar, gate. Terima kasih, thanks. Muka surat, page. Ubat batuk, cough drops or cough drops. Verbs, biar, to let. Kira, to count. Bangunkan, to wake up. Nampaknya, to seem, or it seems like. Berehat, to rest. Rebus, to boil. Adjectives, berat, heavy. Letih, tired. Berkunci, locked. Sihat, healthy. Conversation, perbualan, between. Timah is a girl's name, contraction or short from the name Fatimah. Emak, mother. Makcik Esah, aunt Esah. Esah also a short name from Aisyah. Okay, Timah, mak, Makcik Esah datang. Mom, aunt Esah come. Pergilah bukakan pintu pagar itu. Go, open the gate. Pintu pagar tak berkunci ke, mak? The gate is not locked, mom. Tak berkunci. Pergilah bukakan. It's not locked. Go, open it. Baiklah, mak. Okey. Timah membukakan pintu pagar. Timah opens the gate. Sila masuk, makcik. Come in, aunt. Terima kasih. Mak kau buat apa? Thank you. What's your mom doing? Kau means you, engkau. Mak tengah masak. Mother is cooking. Tengah masak is a present tense. Apa makcik bawa ni? What do you bring? Berat nampaknya. Looks heavy. Buah mangga ada, buah rambutan ada. There are some mangoes and also some rambutans. Bak Timah bawakan. Bak is informal of beri. Give. Which means, give it to me so I can carry them. Timah bawa yang ini, biar makcik bawa yang ini. You carry this one and let me carry this one. Ah, Kak Esah, sila naik. Ah, Sister Esah, come in. Terima kasih, thank you. Exercise number 1. Please sit on your own chair. Sila duduk di kerusi masing-masing. 2. Pour the oil into the pan. Masukkan minyak ke dalam kuali. 3. Please bring me the helmet. Tolong bawakan topi keledar. Helmet is keledar. Topi keledar. Hard hat, keledar. If here seat belt, we call tali pinggang keledar. 4. Don't disclose any information to an unknown caller. Jangan berikan sebarang maklumat kepada pemanggil yang tidak dikenali. 5. Don't smoke in this building. Jangan hisap rokok dalam bangunan ini. 6. Please show me the way to the KLIA. Tolong tunjukkan kepada saya arah ke lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kuala Lumpur. 7. Don't park your vehicle here. Jangan letak kenderaan di sini. 8. Bring a menu for us. Bawakan menu untuk kami. 9. When you are tired, please have a rest. Apabila awak letih, silalah berehat or sila berehat. 10. Please wake me up at 5 o'clock. Tolong kejutkan saya or tolong bangunkan saya pada pukul 5. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.